Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some churros. First, we are going to heat up some water on a medium heat and then add the sugar and also unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, we can add in the flour. Turn the heat into low and continue mixing until the dough is smooth. Right, so this is done. I just need to transfer this into a bowl and cool it down. So while I'm cooling down the dough, I'm gonna do the dipping sauce. So this is 200 grams of dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 120 ml of fresh milk. So we're just gonna melt this down. Once you don't see any more lumps in the sauce, you can add in the corn flour mixture. Yes. So this is done and we can now put this aside. Okay, so the dough has cooled down and we can now add in the egg one at a time. So I can now transfer this to a piping bag and I'm going to use the star tip. Right, let's start cooking the churros. So make sure that you are using a good quality of piping bag because from the past I have used the disposable one and it's not really good because it's gonna burst. If you want your churros to be nice and straight, you have to prepare it like this. Put it in the fridge for a few hours before frying. Alright, so this is now cooked. We are going to roll this into the sugar with cinnamon. If you don't have a chocolate sauce, you can just eat it just like this.